Now we will discuss about E wave. Characters of normal E wave. It follows T wave. It may be present in normal ECG. It is a smaller and in the same direction of the preceding T wave. It represents slow repolarization of interventricular septum. It represents slow repolarization of interventricular septum, Purkinje fibers, but actual genesis of E wave is still controversial. It is better seen in chest leads V3 to V4. Normal amplitude 1 mm, 2 mm in athlete. Abnormalities of E wave. E wave may be inverted, E wave may be prominent. Causes of inverted E wave: ischemic heart disease, left ventricular hypertrophy with strain, hypertensive heart disease. Causes of prominent E wave may be normally present, usually small. Hypokalemia, most commonest. Hypokalemia commonest. Bradycardia, ventricular hypertrophy, hyperthyroidism, hypercalcemia. Drugs, phenothiazine, quinidine. What is the significance of large E wave? The patient is prone to develop torsades de pointes tachycardia. So what is the significance of large E wave? This patient is prone to develop torsades de pointes tachycardia. It is the ECG of an E wave. There is presence of E wave in lead B5, V6 and V3. Now QT interval. Characters of normal QT interval. It is the distance from the beginning of the QRS to the end of the T wave. It represents the total time required for both depolarization and repolarization of the ventricles. Normal QT interval is 0.35 to 0.43 seconds. Its duration varies with heart rate, becoming shorter as the heart rate increases and longer as the heart rate decreases. In general, the QT interval at heart rate between 60 to 90 beats per minute does not exceed in duration half the preceding RR wave. It is better seen in AVL because there is no E wave. So it is better seen in ABL because there is no E wave. Corrected formula for real QT is QTC is equal to QT divided by root over of RR, root over of heart rate. In this ECG, there is indicates of QT. Now, what are the abnormalities of QT interval? QT interval may be short, may be long. Causes of short QT interval: tachycardia, hypercalcemia, digoxin effect, and hyperthermia. Now, what are the causes of long QT interval? Bradycardia, hypocalcemia, acute myocarditis, acute myocardial infarction, hypothermia. Drugs: quinidine, procainamide, flecainide, amiodarone, tricyclic antidepressant, disopyramide, pentamidine. Cerebral injury, head injury, intracerebral hemorrhage. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, HCM. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy may cause long QT interval. During sleep. Hereditary syndrome. There is some hereditary syndrome where long QT interval is present. These are Jervell-Lange-Nielsen syndrome. That is Jervell-Lange-Nielsen syndrome, characterized by congenital deafness, syncope, and sudden death. Romano-Ward syndrome, same as above except deafness. Prolonged QT interval may be detected in an asymptomatic individual. It may be associated with ventricular arrhythmia. Rarely it can cause torsades de pointes tachycardia and sudden death.